guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my second spring vlog. I did spring reset last time where I was decluttering digitally, physically, just did some looming decluttering tasks. And now today I am doing the spring cleaning vlog. So I am deep cleaning the apartment and I'm vlogging the entire process. I really want to get in the nooks and crannies and get everything that I didn't do in the January cleaning because I feel like I half-assed it. I'm first in my bedroom and we're gonna start with all things bedroom. So I really want to wash the carpets. I want to clean the baseboards. Those hose have not been cleaned since I moved in here a little over a year ago now, which is kind of disgusting. All right, star of the show over here. Hi, I really need to know when her birthday is because it's giving Leo. I wonder if I have papers for her anywhere. I adopted her from a shelter a million years ago. So I'm just trying to be your friend and you're so, don't pee on my bed, please. So I don't know if I have papers, but if I do, I will look. Well, I've decluttered everything in my apartment, so I don't think I have papers. Let's just pretend she's a Leo. I'm gonna give her an August 2nd birthday. I don't know, that feels wrong, but it feels right. Your birthday's now August 2nd, you're a Leo, go. Okay. This reminds me of the Grinch. They don't even know what her actual birthday is either because she was dropped off as an adult cat and with no information. So I really get to create my own reality. Okay, this is not the point of the vlog. Anyway, point of the vlog is we're gonna start cleaning. I need to stop procrastinating. I'm also still decluttering my YouTube watch later playlist. If you watched the last vlog, I started watching those videos as I was decluttering the apartment. I think I started around 300 something. We're down to 200 something. So gonna keep watching those while I deep clean today, sort through them, put them in playlists, get rid of them. We're really just starting fresh for the spring. It's like a rebirth because I don't want to have to feel like I always need to reset. Once a month, great, but not on a super deep level. I want things to run smoothly. Like, what was the, Harrison Ford? No. The guy who created the line. I'm in college, I promise you. Clearly no thoughts behind these eyes today, just vibes. So let's start cleaning.
Next one, change that to the word superb. Even when you say this, it will get all the cooks together more. Slow. Brief. Okay? Hot. The summer sun or the sun. And use the vocabulary. White holes. Now let's go to the and then when he was at a party, he would make some jokes. Well, so anxious. So in Miguel's case, I noticed his really experience about it. And he just noticed like,
back. I'm not looking for this. What you're gonna do is ignore the mess. Why am I showing it to you? Anyway, we're cleaning today, so it's okay. I think I asked on my Instagram how to clean mirrors without streaks because every time I clean my mirrors, it always looks so dirty and I see people on Instagram with their mirror photos and it looks like there's no mirror there. Mine always looks like a travesty. So I started using rubbing alcohol because people said rubbing alcohol, but I was just using rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth and I was like, okay, this is great. It's not perfect. But then as I was about to go clean those windows, I thought, what do I use to do that? I want to be sure. So then I looked up and you can mix rubbing alcohol and vinegar and water, put it in a spray bottle. So we're gonna quick intermission to make that. I have this spray bottle that I had from, I don't even know what that is. Half a cup of rubbing alcohol, third of a cup of white distilled vinegar. We learned in science class you gotta go at the level 30,000 years ago. I'm wearing a tube top because I took off the sweatshirt because I was freezing this morning, but now I'm a little toasty and it's probably stupid to wear white to clean, but I felt like if I have bleach anywhere, that might be really dumb actually. And I like love this top. I didn't think this through. Okay, I don't like the smell of this. It gives me like PTSD. Oh, let's smell the vinegar to get rid of the alcohol smell. Is it just me or it smells like alcohol? Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. That's ugly. Ooh, it said filtered water, but like that seems so excessively stupid and annoying. No. Sybil's obsessed with drinking water from like a fountain, so this is like, she's going buck wild for this. I love the sound of water if it's like getting close to the top. Does that make sense? Okay. Distilled water is best if you're storing this. Filtered is fine within a few days. The fuck is distilled water? Like she wants me to put bottled water in here? Be fucking for real. All right, let's go clean the windows.
Water, and it's like sort of for today's video, but I often just scoop it back. So when I clean my brushes, I often dip
What the evidence is around some of these practices and his own self-worth with him doing well in the maths test.
Do we love the little sprouty looking, oh, not the bayang. It's just me and Sibylicious because I just dropped off Atticus for his little grooming appointment. It sucks because I always book an appointment for, I think it's every quarter for him to get groomed. That week, something comes up, I'll reschedule it. And I basically rescheduled it for months because I've been like, oh, I just can't leave the house because it messes with my ADHD. I'll do it like next week. And I've been doing that for a couple months because you always want to get into the appointment for like Cocker Spaniels and long-haired dogs before they start matting, because once they start matting, game over, they have to go bald. He doesn't really like when I brush him, so I just don't do that. I'd rather just take him to get groomed and they do the whole thing. I've left it for so long that he's got mats on his body and his ears, so they have to bald him. They basically shave him down to like the thinnest they can shave him to get the mats off, which sucks for him and me because him, it's freezing. He has a Christmas sweater though, so I might get him a regular year-round sweater because he's gonna be freezing. And sucks for me because I love his beautiful long hair. I just wish he would let me brush him more because then we could just upkeep the beautiful long Cocker Spaniel hair, but no, he looks like a mangy mutt right now. They love him at the grooming place that I go to because he loves women, but he hates kids, men, and other animals. So he loves the girlies that work there. He's so nice to them. But then as soon as like he sees a man or another animal, he's like, ew. Not my thing. I'm going to wash Atticus's harness though before I go pick him up. And I'm gonna start cleaning the living room. Also, wanted to show you the bedroom though, because it just looks so clean and nice. Carpets cleaned and everything, windows cleaned, dusted. That is all of my Amazon stuff that I've yet to feature in Reels, Instagram stuff, so I keep it there. That's my laundry hamper, but I just now put my laundry on the floor in there. But I might put that somewhere else because it really kills the vibe in here, but look at how clean and beautiful she is. I do have to go over it one more time with a vacuum because it's just nice to do after if you washed it. I have my favorite, mostly everyday jewelry out here. So, oh, I gotta put the pillows on the bed. I knew something was missing this morning. I love these pillows. They're so cute. I'll link them down below. They're from Amazon. Well, they're pillow covers and then I have pillow inserts, all from Amazon. I'll link it below. But I also keep my little crystals by my bedside. Hello. How are you? My neighbor was moving and my neighbor had this cat tree, which let me show you. Come on, Sybil. Yes, run with me. Like a dog. My neighbor was moving, so they were getting rid of it. But I was like, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I'll take it. So it's a little cat tree for Sybil, and she's actually using it, which is insane because she loves scratching my couch. Then it inspired me to go on Amazon and see similar ones. They have one on Amazon that's like cuter with a brown base. I think I'm gonna get that eventually, but for now, this is perfect, and it was nice to test out if this girly uses a scratching post at all. Purr. Oh, there's a spider web! Never tell a man your love language. Never. Or your attachment style. Don't do it.
You tell somebody everything about you. Or for me, you're super guarded and you have emotions.
Being water and you'll be fine. Sure, I was probably wrong. I like taking 2 minutes of 5. My favorite things to do. 3 tablespoons.
You're so bald now, Addie. Little bald boy. He is now bald. He had to get shaved completely because, you know, I waited too long and he was matted. So now he's a bald boy. Look at his little tail. He just got a treat. So he's really just giving you crackhead energy. And I put on my weekly reset to brush him every week because he doesn't really like it or let me. So if I try every week, at least I'm getting like maybe a little bit every week. So he stays silky and smooth. Same. You bald bitch. Me too. I can't believe he's 11 or he just turned 12. His birthday's March 2nd. Look at you, Addie. You're such an elder. All right, that's enough. ogling over the dog. I love Atticus's little ear wrap. Let me show you. So Addie has to wear his little ear wrap. I've had this ear wrap since last summer because when Atticus gets fully shaved, his ears can develop, I forgot what they said, it's some like blood ear thing. If they shake their ears, they can get like something popped. So they recommended I give him this little wrap. So I put his little ear drops in to clean his ears, and then I put his little wrap on. He's pissed about it. Do you like the little wrap? You look like a little grandmother. I finally got a new tripod because my other one was a little broken, but she's a little too tall at her shortest level, so like, so much space. Maybe if I was just not 5'2", that would be better. I always say that I'm 5'1", but I'm 5'1" and 3/4, so technically, in scientific terms, you'd round up, so I'm 5'2". Even on my driver's license, it says I'm 5'1", but like that's a lie. I have a good 3/4 of an inch added to that, so. Finished cleaning the living room yesterday, but didn't do the floors because I realized when I cleaned the counters in the kitchen, the cupboards, all of that, it might get stuff on the floor, so it would be best to clean the floors as the last thing that I do. I'm not in white today, I'm in my workout clothes. Workout clothes are the same level as sweats to me, they just feel like loungewear. They're just comfortable, okay? Oh, I just got tinnitus. I get that randomly. I don't think I can call it tinnitus if I don't have it all the time. Anyway, do I want to have a dick appointment tonight? Oh my God, if I have to ask myself, I am getting old. My God. If I turn down a dick appointment, put me down, because that's out of character. Microfiber cloths, my little kitchen rags, they're dirty now. They're in the wash. I have no choice but to use these bad boys, which I don't like because they're more chemically, more sanitizy, less natural, and they don't like the way they feel on my hands. But I have no option by it, and I'm not gonna use paper towel for the entire cabinetry. I'm using some Costco disinfecting wipes. We're making do. Continuing on my watch later playlist. Okay, this is why I hate you.
I fold pages as I'm reading on this information is I then transfer the stuff right down the story. That is what they do. Buckets, categories, where I solely went under these.
Finished the load of laundry with the towels and the microfiber cloths, and those are drying. I'm now gonna clean the baseboards of all of the area with wood flooring. I have not done this since I moved in. I'm in for a treat. I'm gonna get on my hands and knees and clean the baseboards. We got the YouTube Watch Later playlist down to 95 videos. I am stoked. I'm gonna keep watching those, clean the baseboards. Oh, also, I did not clean the island though, so the entire kitchen is clean, but I did not clean the island because I'm going to be putting stuff up there as I clean, and I just need kind of a central space so I don't have to dirty a freshly cleaned space. I just have that, and then I'll do that absolutely last. Also, I forgot to mention that I am somehow fully caught up on Love Island. There were 35 episodes that I missed. Love this season so much. I love every season of the Love Island UK. It is the only reality TV that I love and would die for and is a part of my personality. I have not watched today's episode that came out yet, which is the second part of the movie night, and movie night is always so good. It is just a cinematic masterpiece because it is the most dramatic, but it also hurts my heart because it's the most dramatic, and it just gives me so much anxiety. And I feel like that's kind of counterproductive right now because I want to finish decluttering the Watch Later playlist, but I really want to watch today's episode of Love Island. So I might watch today's episode of Love Island just tonight while I'm eating dinner, and then just keep watching the YouTube videos while I clean. I was putting them on while I was doing everything. If I wasn't watching the YouTube videos from my Watch Later playlist, I've had Love Island on in the background. So now I will be caught up with everyone, and I will watch one episode a day, but we're getting close to the end, so I'm glad I'm caught up so that I didn't get any spoilers. Girl. Bayangs are doing the bayang thing. Let me sit. Oh wait, look at Addie. Hi, little boy. Look how cute he is. He's so cold and cute. I'm giving George Washington. No, I'm giving Dwight. No, I don't know. I'm just giving what I don't want to give. It's super gloomy and rainy today. Normally, love it, but I'm sick of it. And it's Friday night and I would like to go out with my friends, but the rain just makes me not want to do anything. This, I can't. Why? Why does it have to do this? When I let my hair air dry, I will blow out the bangs because this happens. Next day, the bayang is doing this. Not the bayang, I can't. Oh, let me look like George Washington in peace because I don't feel like fixing that. Oh my God, it's so bad. Also, 2 updates I wanted to mention. So for these 3 vlogs that I'm doing of like spring cleaning, spring reset, spring planning, they're not like vlogs of just like my week in my life. I wanted to just make these focused on the 3 parts of just feeling like I'm resetting my life. And then I'm gonna get back into regularly vlogging. And I think I wanna do more like couple days in my life vlogs and then once a month do a week in my life. So I'm not setting myself up for failure because when am I ever gonna vlog every single week? That just doesn't, not all weeks are interesting. So I feel like I'm just gonna do a nice week in my life once a month and then just daily few days in my life vlogs scattered throughout. And then also comment below any other videos you want that are not vlogs. I asked you guys what you wanted me to incorporate more of in vlogs. Love that. But what are some video ideas that you want to see from me that are not vlogs? Because I want to kind of scatter those throughout my channel. Second thing is about The Sims coming back, and I have procrastinated filming the first episode for so long. I got everything ready, the thumbnails are ready, but I was just procrastinating it so much because I'm like, oh my God, there's so much pressure on this. It's the first episode, first video on a new channel. I have to be my best. This has to be my best. And you guys know my mental health was not that bitch for the past month or so. So I was like, no, not ready. And then the new patch is gonna come out and then the new expansion pack. And I was watching the live stream. The game is gonna break so much. Every mod I play with broken. Why would I upload a couple parts and then take like a week or so off when I'm waiting for the mods to be updated? So, you know, I'd rather just start the series when the game is fixed for me. So the Sims series is gonna start on the gaming channel the Tuesday after the expansion pack is released. So I think that's the 21st. The mods will be updated and I feel like I can start that. So that's when that is coming out. And those videos are gonna be up on Tuesdays and Fridays on my gaming channel. And on this channel, I'm going to be uploading every Sunday and Thursday. And if I don't do a Thursday video, you will always have a Sunday video though, but it's more often than not that I will have both. Last thing, I promise. But I've been taking such good care of my skin lately, doing my rigorous morning and night skincare routine. My texture is improving, but then I got another pimple right here and I'm like, really, what am I know it's probably diet, but it's just like, babes, I've been putting in work on the external front. It's just really annoying, you know, babes? So, not the banging. Okay. Oh my God, please ignore. Oh, the bayang isn't going anywhere. It's just bayanging. Anyway, apparently I only had one of the little Swiffer wet mop pads to go on the Swiffer, so I was not able to clean the entire floor. I might honestly just be fine with spot cleaning the spots that are really dirty and then just in my next weekly reset, mopping the floors and getting that when I go to the grocery store. Just saving time here, babes. That is everything for my spring cleaning vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be doing my spring planning vlog, final and third vlog in this little triage of spring reset. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.